In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up auto responses for new messages in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's jump right in. Click on Captain Labs in the left sidebar, then select Automations to open the Automations page. Now hit the +Create Automation button in the top right corner to start building your new workflow. Give your automation a name. Something like Auto Response works great, so you can easily find it later. Click on SalesCaptain Triggers and choose New Incoming Message. This tells the automation to fire every time a new message comes in. Drag and drop a Send SMS action into your flow, then click on it to edit and type in a brief welcome message for your new contacts. From here, you can customize the flow to fit your needs. In this case, we'll drag in an Add Tags element and add the tag New Lead so you can easily track these contacts. Next, drag and drop the Assign to element and select a team member so every new lead is automatically routed to the right person. Finally, click Launch Automation to make it live. Then head back to the Automations page. You'll see your new automation listed and active, ready to go. And that's it! Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.